Hi there, it's Tal from PSKiss, and I would like to talk to you about a major benefit of using our develop profiles. The image on the left was taken by a smartphone, Samsung Galaxy. The image on the right was taken with a Canon 760D. Both pictures were taken at the same place and at approximately the same time. You can see that the colors are totally different. Go to the develop in Lightroom, open the basic, and instead of the embedded profile, I will choose PSKiss Vivid Landscape Mode 1. That is included in our Skin and Scenery profile package. Click on this, close it, switch to the other picture, and instead of the default Adobe color, I will choose again PSKiss Vivid Landscape Mode 1. You can see that the color scheme is quite similar. The color of the sky is similar, the color of the trees is similar, and both images don't look so different as they did before. Now I would like to remind you, the only change I made in the develop module was switching from the default profile to PSKiss Vivid Landscape Mode 1 profile. Now colors in both images are similar, regardless of the different camera models they were taken with. Hope you find this information useful for you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.